Hello everyone, my name is Sebastien Hue and I'm a Concept Illustrator in the entertainment industry. In this tutorial, I'm gonna cover up my creative process and conceptual workflow to create a still keyframe for our department. We're gonna use a mix of 2D and 3D techniques to brainstorm ideas, build up the scene in Cinema 4D and post-work the still image in Photoshop. In the end, you should have a better understanding on how to achieve a cinematic frame just like in a movie and develop your creative mind even more.